If you offer year-round service agreements where customers pay a flat monthly amount regardless of what gets done each visit, long-term offers level billing. In this video, we're going to walk through everything. Setting up an agreement. Let's get into it. Level billing lets you charge a customer a fixed, predictable amount every month, no matter which services are actually performed on that visit. For example, a customer might pay $150 a month year-round. In the summer, that covers mowing. In the fall, it covers cleanups. That work changes month to month, but their bill stays the same. When you complete a visit and create an invoice for a level billing customer, LawnPro puts the actual services performed during the visit on the invoice, but it bills the flat rate billing amount instead. Clean and simple for the customer and fully tracked on your end. Let's go through creating a new level billing contract. To get here, go to the Finance tab and then click Level Billing. Click the green New Level Billing button. To set one up, you'll fill in a few key fields. First, select the customer that the agreement is for. You can add a description or reference number. Next, set the yearly amount. The fixed dollar amount that gets billed each period will be calculated by LawnPro. Next, select your payment schedule. This is where you'll set a start date, choose a frequency, and enter the number of payments. So, we're going to set up 12 payments monthly, and we want to start it today. This shows that they're going to be paying $83.33 per month. The first invoice will be on April 21st, and the last invoice will be March 21st, 2027. If you want the system to automatically create your invoices, you can check this box here. You can set what date of the month you want the invoice to generate. Here you'll see some more information about level billing. You can add a discount, apply any tax, choose to close all side events before invoices, and you can choose to include completed services in the invoice description. This is where you will put what you want to show above the items on each invoice. There's also a box for internal notes for your team. Once you have all of that filled out, you can click Create Level Billing. Then you can see it added it to the list here. Now we can go back and look. Every level billing agreement has a status, so you always know where it stands. You can see that this level billing contract is active. Active means the agreement is ongoing and invoicing as expected. Paused means it's temporarily on hold. Canceled means it ended early, but all the data is preserved. And completed means it ran its full term and has ended. You're able to edit your contract amount. To edit, you can click Edit Amount. A pop-up will appear, and you can change the price of your monthly invoices. You can also add a discount and tax at this point. We're going to change the invoices to be 90, and now it shows your breakdown. The new invoices show that the subtotal is 90, with the total also being 90. Then you can see the contract impact from this change. We have already billed $83.37 originally. Now the new contract total is going to be $1,073.37. So by making this change, we added this total amount to the contract. Here we can add a reason and then hit Save. If you need to cancel a contract because it ended early, LawnPro uses a soft cancel instead of deleting anything. This is important. Canceling preserves all your historical data. Nothing gets wiped. When we cancel, we'll be guided through a few decisions. First, what happens with any unpaid invoices? We can choose to keep them as they are, meaning the customer still owes these amounts, or we can void them, writing them off. This removes any unpaid invoices, so the customer no longer owes for those invoices. Second, what happens to the scheduled visits? We can keep them and convert them to regular, non-billing visits, or we can remove all future visits. We can also enter a cancellation reason for our records. Either way, all invoices and visit history data remain fully intact.